Yo, what's going on, guys, man? Hope y'all feeling good, staying safe, staying healthy, brother, because you can still hear it, you know what I'm saying? Today I wanted to show you a few pickups, man. I went crazy last week, like I told you. I even tried to post like a YouTube video showing deals, which I know a lot of y'all caught some good stuff, man. There was honestly some great deals. So let's get to it. I just want to show you how cool I am, you know what I'm saying? We locked in the crib, so why not look fresh in my socks and my stony? So number one pickup, this is just kind of a hbx.com, if you ever heard of that. They sell a lot of like designer, more high-end, I guess you could say streetwear or tech wear more so. So this being my number one pickup, I'm just gonna take a guess at it. I'm almost sure this is a hat. So let's see, this actually ships from China to Hong Kong, I believe. Let me confirm. I'm almost positive, bro. Yeah, it ships Hypebeast Hong Kong. So is that what HBX stands for? Hypebeast Hong Kong Limited. Interesting. So yeah, this company is located in Hong Kong. Cool. And you know, they rarely have sales. Like, I think the next sale they will have will be probably the beginning of 2021, and it'll most likely be like a 50 to 70% off. That's really the best time to shop, in case you guys were wondering. Like, if you wanted to save your money through Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then collect maybe some checks on Christmas, and then wait till like January or February, most of these sites have insane sales, which I really just learned probably within the last 2 years about this. So instead of paying, I mean, you're really kind of getting the cleanup stuff. If you really want something, the chances of you getting on sale are pretty slim, and I'll give you an example of that. But it's taking me a minute to open this. Yeah, that's like the best time, because all the sites are just kind of trying to clear out everything from the past season. And if you shop for like just, I guess, essential pieces that are kind of timeless, then you're good, you know, as long as you're not like trying to stay within trend. If you just buy like, I don't know, whatever you're into. I like more like sportswear, high tech. So please enjoy your purchase. Now, this is actually not returnable. So that's another thing about these sales, is you can't really return the items. So I would definitely recommend getting stuff that you already know your sizes. But for the most part, you're getting such a good deal on these. You could buy it, and if it doesn't fit, you could just sell it for more than you paid, most likely. So we got this cool little card. What we got going on here? Oh, it's just my receipt. Yeah. So this is a CP company, which rarely goes on sale. This is an Italian brand, very similar to Stone Island. They have amazing products. I've been waiting for the longest time to cop something from them. And bro, I got this knit hat, which it almost looks navy and not black, which I'm not even tripping, but so you can see, cool little packaging. Now, CP Company is known for their goggle look. They put it on the hoodies, their hats. It's kind of their trademark. I'm pretty sure they have it trademarked. But yeah, this ain't even black. I think this is navy, but it looks black. So that's cool, but you guys can see the goggles. Retail on this was a lot. I don't even know how much it was. They don't even say, but these are pretty pricey. But I ended up getting this for $82, which $82 for a beanie is kind of crazy, right? But fire. Let's put this bad boy on. I'm gonna do a full review of this hat. I just wanted to show you guys. I almost wonder, does Stone Island own CP Company? Could anyone like confirm that for me? I should probably know that, but I don't. My hair looking stupid. Let's see. Oh yeah, peep that. Yeah. Oh bro, what am I doing? That's what's up. Can you dig it? Peep that, that's what's up. That's cool, you know, it's just different, you know what I'm saying? I can dig it. That's a pickup. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering like, yo, can you see through the goggles? I mean, yeah, low key, I can. But not like, it's not, you know, there's obviously a hat in the way, but you feel me? That is fire. I'm gonna do just an in-depth review on this. But this is cold, bro. Great pickup, something unique, something different. Italian made. You gotta love that. That's one thing about Stone Island. They're starting to, it feels like ever since they sold a share of their company, some of the products just aren't worth the price. You know, if it's made in Italy, it's most likely worth the price, just quality wise. But other than that, just in case you're wondering how to wear a hat when you got long hair, some of their stuff just isn't worth how much they charge unless you get it on sale. But CP company, for the most part, doesn't import too many items. Most of it is Italian made, so I rock with that. Very excited to have that hat. And then here is the next item I ended up getting on sale, which one of these actually isn't on sale. Oh, bro, I don't even need a knife. Maybe I do. I'm getting some cargo pants. Just because more of this tech wear and sportswear, like higher end, you can really wear it year round. And that's what I love about Stone Island and CP Company, bro. I'm trying to figure out how to open this box. So one of the items, oh, bro, this is ridiculous. What kind of nonsense is this? Bro. Okay, now we got this bad boy open. So I ended up paying $3.75 for these Stone Island pants. This is in the tan colorway. I have every color except khaki. And again, another piece that I just feel like can seriously last me for life. As long as I take care of these will last forever. I've been trying to get this color for the longest time and I cannot get them on sale. They always sell out. So, I mean, I got these other pants that I'll show you guys in a second on sale. They were 35, maybe they were more than 35% off. But yeah, these, I just had to bite the bullet on these because I really wanted this color. Again, like I said, with these type of pieces, they can just last you forever. This isn't, more so, let me put it this way. I can see myself wearing these when I'm 45 years old. You know what I'm saying? It's a long way away. It's 20 years from now, but you get what I mean? It's just an essential piece, and every other Stone Island piece that I have has just held up so well. And I really like the brand, man. I've been a big fan for the last few years, and I don't see that going anywhere anytime soon. So I think this is probably my last pair of pants that I'll pick up. I don't necessarily need any other color. Maybe like a light beige would be cool, but other than that, my pant collection is perfect. I'm gonna do a review of these because I know a lot of you guys are interested in sizing, how much they cost, what do they look good with, but I mean, this is Jordan 1's all day fit right here. So geek to have these. I was kind of like, I'm gonna order these and try them on, see if I like them, keep them, return them. I'm just gonna keep them, bro, because they beautiful, just so nice. And where were these made? Like, let's give you an example. Yeah, these don't even say. Usually right on the tag, it'll tell you exactly where it's made. I'm sure it's somewhere around here, but I don't see it. Yeah, these look great. Damn, these look really good in person. Sheesh. Then the next piece I got, another pair of pants. A lot of you guys are always asking me about my pants, so that's where I'm gonna start doing more reviews and just showing you what I got. This is from CP Company also. Again, this rarely goes on sale, guys. Like, HBX did the Black Friday sale, and I was thinking to myself, well, these might be cheaper on Cyber Monday. They didn't even do like a Cyber Monday. They gave you free shipping on Cyber Monday. So I'm glad I got these. This is actually sized in Italian. So this is a size 52. And I was really like unsure about this because number one, I knew they were gonna sell out, and I ended up getting the last pair. These just look fire, bro. Like, I'm praying that this size 52 fits. I went on Essence and it said 52 was a size like 36. So that looks about accurate, but dude, look at, these are hard, bro. Like, you got the CP Company little buttons. Yeah, this is my first pair of CP pants, and dude, you know, they're known for, again, got the little goggles. Oh yeah, these are stupid, y'all. Again, I am going to link reviews to all of these products down below. I'm gonna do a sizing, how they look, what shoes they look fire with. So stay tuned for that. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up, man. I got a lot more stuff coming, but this is just specifically from HBX. And then other than that, man, like sneaker wise, I ended up getting a pair of those ones that just dropped, the black and gold. Honestly, just straight up blessed. If you haven't seen, can't wait for these to come out in 2021, baby. But yeah, I know a lot of you guys don't get necessarily notified for all the videos, or you just don't watch. I don't really care. I'm just making videos because it's fun. Yeah, bunch of new pickups, man. Got these this week. So if you guys want to go see the mall vlog of those. And low key, man, these were a lot harder than I expected to get. Won another raffle for these in Denver, which is lit, bro. Sneakers app has been showing me zero love, which I'm sure same with y'all. But ended up doubling up on the Fire Red 4s. If you haven't seen the bro, scuffed my shoe. Like I was saying, if you haven't seen the review for these or what I would wear with them, you can go check that out too. Hella videos, man. So I'm over here still trying to heal up. But just because you sick don't mean you can't be fresh. Yeah, man. Also, the Goku rug, they're all done with production. They're on their way. So I'll make sure to keep you guys updated with that. Hopefully they're going to release December 15th. That is the date that I'm shooting for. Hopefully I can get them to you by Christmas. So yeah, man, just taking it easy, chilling, bro. Y'all know me, just minding my own business, chilling. But hope y'all be easy, man. Let me know what you want to see this month. I got a lot of video concepts that I want to drop, so we'll see. Let's put in this work. Yeah, man, how y'all feeling? I'm literally just chilling, bro. But I'll catch y'all on the next one. Run it.